Okay, guys, today we're gonna learn about solving equations and inequalities, but the three different outcomes that we may have. Okay, so far you have learned only about one solution, one real solution for equations or inequalities. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about the other three possible outcomes or the other possible outcomes that you may see when you're solving equations or inequalities. The first one will be only one solution. You're really familiar with this type of equations or inequalities. The second one will be when we don't have any solution, no real number will be a solution for the equations or inequality. And the last one is when we have infinite many solutions for the equations or inequality. So we are going to have three different outcomes or solutions when we're solving equations or inequalities. Let's go over one example. First, we have this equation 4x plus 5 equals 3x minus 6. We're going to pick a side. In this case, I'm going to pick the left side as my variable side because it has a greater coefficient. 4x is greater than 3x. So the left side will be my variable side. I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. And I'm going to end up with x plus 5 equals negative 6. Now, on the left, I have a constant, which is in the variable side, so I need to remove it. Opposite operation for plus 5 will be negative 5 on both sides. At the end, I'm going to have x equals negative 11. So this is an example of one solution. And if we do it as an inequality, same example, just using the inequality sign, x greater than negative 11. So this will be an example of one solution. Let's go and see another example and see a different outcome. We have 2x plus 3x plus 2 equals 4x plus x minus 4. First thing we should do is combine like terms. In this case will be combine the 2x plus the 3x and combine the 4x plus the x on the right side. Okay, so we're going to end up with 5x plus 2 equals 5x minus 4. Since we should pick a side for the variable side, but 5x is the same as 5x, it doesn't matter which one we pick. When we subtract 5x for both sides, then we're going to end up as 2 equals negative 4. Hold on, that's not right. So if 2 is not equal to negative 4, which this statement is not true, then we're going to say we don't have a solution. Okay, if we don't have a variable and the statement is not true, we're going to say is we don't have a solution. The same example using an inequality sign, 2 greater or equal than negative 4. This statement is not true, so we're going to have no solution. Okay, so this is the second type or second outcome that you may have when we're solving equations or inequalities. Let's go over example number 3. We have 4x plus 3x plus 2 equals 7x plus 6 minus 4. First, we need to combine like terms. 4x plus 3x on the left side and 6 and minus 4 on the right side. So we're going to have 7x plus 2 equals 7x plus 2. Same thing. When we had to pick a side, 7x is the same as 7x, so it doesn't matter which side is our variable side. So it will be minus 7x and minus 7x on both sides, and we have 2 equal 2. So this statement is true. And we had the same example using the inequality sign, and 2 is less or equal than 2. That statement is also true. So when the statement is true and we don't have a variable, then we're going to say we have infinite many solutions. So these are the three examples of the three possible outcomes that you may see when you're solving equations or inequalities. Thank you. Bye-bye.